Hello everybody, welcome to Sav's Glam Beauty. In today's video, I will be making some avocado cream. As you can see, my avocado is pretty ripe and all of that good stuff. And also some of the benefits that avocado has, it has anti-inflammatory properties, it heals dry skin, it's very moisturizing. So if you are interested and want to learn how to make your own avocado cream, then please keep watching. So to start off, I'm going to be using these two avocados today. I'm going to be making some avocado oil first. Okay? I'm going to make the avocado oil. I'm going to split the avocado into separate parts like so. It looks so yummy, right? I just want to eat it now. Right. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna get a spoon and scoop out my avocado. Y'all, I just want to eat it. Okay. I'm gonna be using this bowl. So you guys, instead of using the blender, I've decided to use this just to mash my avocado up. So I'm just gonna be mashing it up like so, okay? So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this right here, put it in my frying pan, like so. So this is how our avocado paste is looking. I'm gonna be adding 100% grapeseed oil to the avocado, okay? I'm not measuring it in no particular order. I'm just eyeballing it. Okay, so I'm just gonna be taking this and putting it on my stove like so. And I'm gonna turn my blender on. I'm gonna be adding some coconut oil, some organic coconut oil, a tablespoonful, like so, okay? So I'm just gonna sift the oil like so. I'm definitely going to sift it for the second time. I'm going to sift it for the second time because I just like doing that. I just feel like sifting it for the third time because I still feel like there's a little bit more particles in here. So like I said, I'm gonna sift it for the third time because I just like being on the safe side. So this is our avocado oil. Beautiful, right? This is so beautiful. I love the color and everything, okay? Now it's time to make the cream. We are back and ready for the cream, okay? So the first thing we will be needing will be some aloe vera gel, okay? I'm gonna take 1 spoon of aloe vera gel and put it in here like so. Okay. And then I'm gonna be giving it a little mix first, like that. And I'll be taking a spoon, or 1 teaspoon of avocado oil, okay? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna be adding another spoonful and see how far it's gonna take us. And the next thing I'm gonna be adding will be some organic honey, okay? I'm gonna be adding some vitamin E oil, Jason's vitamin E oil. Yeah. And the next thing I'm gonna be adding will be some vegetable glycerin, okay? I'm gonna be adding that much. Keep mixing. I'm just gonna be changing my spatula and use something else. I'm gonna use my little mini mixer, like so. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm still going to add a little bit more of avocado oil. I just feel like it's too thick and I don't want that. So I just put a spoonful of avocado oil in here, okay? In that way, it'll loosen up a little bit and we'll be able to work with. This cream is pretty thick. The next thing I'm gonna be adding will be some tea tree oil. My label has erased, but I'm still loving it, so just added a few drops like that. So you guys, the product was so little at first, it couldn't even make a jar. But now I decided to add a little bit more avocado oil, a little bit more of everything. I'm gonna mix it now. So yeah, that's what I did behind the scenes. But as you can see, it's pretty thick, so I'm still adding. As you can see, it is. Oh my God. Can you see how thick it is? That's first time for everything. I'm gonna try it thick and all of that. If you was wondering why am I not wearing gloves, like I said in my previous video, when I'm not making the product for business, I normally don't wear gloves because 99% of the time is my personal use. The consistency is bomb, okay? So on to our next phase. This is our finished product. I don't know if you can see this. It is so lovely. I love this cream, you guys. Like, oh my God, this is so cute. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do a little bit of demo just so you can see how this cream applies, okay? It is really, really thick and super lovely. For those of you who like thick cream and all of that, you will definitely have fun with this, okay? I don't know if you can see my hand. So this is it. As you can see, my hands are so moisturized, like my entire arm. I don't know if you can see it. This is how the cream applies. But that's all I have for this video, you guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you all. Bye bye.